Hi, my name is Glenn Collard. My company is Mr. Fog Free Windows, and what I do is defog windows that either have moisture or actual water between the panes of glass. That moisture and water is caused not by a broken seal, but it's caused by the sun on the window. The sun creates heat in between the panes of glass, it cools off at night, and you get a condensation. The manufacturer of windows know this, so under the divider between the windows, they put desiccant pellets to absorb that moisture. All that's happened is over the years, this continued hot and cold condensation is saturated those pellets, so they can no longer absorb any moisture. That leaves only one place for the moisture to go, and that's on the window. So what I do is I come in, I drill a 1/4-inch hole in the very bottom corner, one again diagonally across in the very top, through both panes of glass. I put a cleaning solution through, a drying solution through, which dries streak-free. I vacuum all that out, and I put in 2 valves. The valves are sealed on the inside, so no air gets in the house, but they vent between the glass and to the outside. Now the sun hits the window, that air gets hot. Hotter wants to rise and expand. Now it can go out the top valve. It causes a bit of vacuum, bringing cooler air in the bottom valve. That circulating air dries out the window, and the process is guaranteed for the life of the window, and it's transferable to new owners. The process actually, once the window has been vented, will take a couple to 3 weeks to dry it out, because it is the sun that circulates the air, and you need that time to let the circulation happen. These valves are very small, the holes are very small, so it does a very slow process. But once they clear up, they're good for the rest of the life of the window. My name is Glenn Collard, and my company is Mr. Fog Free Windows. Thank you.